Are you going to say hi? Say hi. Lila's having a bad hair day. See what it's doing.
Go.
I don't know how to fix it.
Go.
I was going to straighten it, but
Go.
I think she'd get mad. Anyways, it's moving day. She was just trying to whisper to me, but she hasn't said anything. Anyways, we're supposed to be moving today, and it's like raining and lightning outside. And every other day, it's like hot and sunny, but the day we have to move is the day it's the worst. Lila! But as you see, like, pretty much everything is gone. Like, all the little stuff, so that's good, but we just have the worst luck. Lila! Come here, come say hi!
No.
Yes! No, you come here! You want to see what she's doing? She's probably going for the shoebox. What are you doing? What are you doing? You going through your shoebox? Yeah? Those are on the wrong feet. Wrong feet. Sorry if she's not in frame. I don't know where this is, like, filming. Are we moving? Yes. It's gonna be weird. Like, we just had, like, basic stuff out right now. But pretty much everything is boxed, so what do you want to tell them? Are you pretty? She picked out her outfit, can you tell? Hey. I don't need shoes. Do you want to talk to them? Come here. Okay, who do you want to say hi to?
Hi.
Say hi, Nance.
Hi, Nance.
You have to look at the camera.
Hi.
Say hi, Mimi.
Hi, Mimi. Hi, Nance.
Say hi, Allie.
Hi.
Allie.
Hi.
Allie, Allie, Allie. Allie, Allie, Allie. Why don't you do it when I have the video on? Fine. I guess we'll keep updating you guys for what's going on. I think I said it in the other video, but we have to be out of here on the 11th, and I think it's the 9th. Maybe it's the 8th. No, it's the 8th. So we have to be out of here really early in the morning on the 11th, because that's when the inspection is, and we're thinking it's going to cost a lot of money because they told us it's $10 per stain, like on our carpets, and we have stains everywhere because of Lila, so that alone is going to be a lot of money. And then just to like fix like the dime size hole in our screen porch, it apparently is like $25, and she made a list of all these like stupid charges, so that's going to be expensive, but we expected it. It's the military. Do you want to say bye?
Bye.
Come here. Come here. 1, 2. I guess she really doesn't want to say bye. But, I think that's it.
Bye.
Come say bye.
Bye.
It's your last chance.